Hi everyone. Today we're going to study Introduction to Frequency Distribution. Usually, data available to us is in an unorganized form called raw data. To draw meaningful inferences, we need to organize the data systematically. For example, a group of students was asked for their favorite subject. The results were as listed below. These are the results. The question now is, which is the most liked subject and the one least liked? To answer the question, we need to put this raw data into an organized form. Here comes the frequency distribution. The data a while ago we can put like this. We have 3 columns. In the first column, we write all the subjects. In the second column, these are the tally marks. In this column, we put a tick every time a particular student gave a response to like that particular subject, while in the third column is the frequency. In this column, we count the number of tallies before each subject. So we write here 7 because there are 7 tallies here. That corresponds to 7 students who liked art subject. 5 students liked mathematics. 6 students liked science. And 4 students liked English. To answer the question, we based our answers from the frequency, and we conclude that the subject art is the most liked with 7 frequencies, and the subject English has 4 frequencies, is the least liked by the students. Here is another example. Consider the following marks out of 50 obtained in mathematics by 60 students of class 8. Here are the raw data. For convenience, we make groups of observations, say from 0 to 10 or 10 to 20 and so on, and obtain a frequency distribution of the number of observations falling in each group. Our data a while ago we can represent in this type of table. We have the first column where we write all the groups from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. The second column is for the tally marks, and the third column is for the frequency. Data presented in this manner is said to be grouped, and the distribution obtained is called grouped frequency distribution. Each of the groups 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on, is called a class interval, or briefly, a class. Observe that 10 occurs in both the classes, that is from 0 to 10, as well as from 10 to 20. Similarly, the datum 20 occurs in classes from 10 to 20 and 20 to 30. We adopt the convention that the common value will belong to the higher class. Thus, for example, number 10, this must belongs to the class interval from 10 to 20 and not to 0 to 10. In the class intervals 10 to 20, the number 10 is called the lower class limit and 20 is called the upper class limit. Similarly, in the class interval 20 to 30, 20 is the lower class limit and 30 is the upper class limit. Observe that the difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit for each of the class intervals, say 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, etc., is equal. Which is 10 in this case? This difference between the upper class limit and lower class limit is called the width or size of the class interval.